need your mind, your body, your soul. I love it when you make me feel like I'm in control. We ain't gotta tell no one.
Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com, and today I'm going to share with you this strawberry limeade slushie recipe. So the first thing I did was I made a simple syrup, and it's just equal parts granulated sugar, water, and it has lime zest in there. I put it over medium low heat, and I cooked it for 10 minutes over that medium low heat, and I gave it a stir every now and then. And after that, we're just letting it cool for about 15 minutes. So this is our simple syrup. Alright, so I want to make note though that I did use the same measuring cup for both the sugar and the water. I know it's not typical, but we want it equal parts. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour in my fresh lime juice. And then the simple syrup, which should be at room temp right now, or at least close to it. And now I'm going to add the frozen strawberries, which is key. And I'm going to give this a blend, but I'm going to do the ice crush setting on the blender, and we're going to just blend it until we have the slushy consistency. I saw that it needed more strawberries, so I did add more strawberries to get the consistency that I wanted. So that's all this is. And you don't even need ice cubes. You're going to get a nice slushy consistency because the berries were frozen. I'm just going to give it a taste, and to me this is what a slushie should be. It is sweet. Slushies are supposed to be sweet. Newsflash. And it is very tangy, so this is for me the perfect ratio. If you want to lessen the sugar, you can go ahead and give that a try. It may come out a different consistency though. So that's it. You saw how easy this comes together. It's very good, very refreshing on a nice summer day. It's sweet, it's tangy. You can eat it with a spoon, but you can also drink it. To me, that's the perfect slushy consistency. I hope you guys do give this a try. For the full recipe, go to facefood.com. It will all be on there. And like this video if you liked it. I do appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up. And comment below if you have any comments or questions. I love engaging with you guys. It's the absolute best. Let me know how your 4th of July went. I'd love to hear how that went for you guys. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more great videos on the way. In case you haven't already, please hit the notification bell so that you can keep updated with my videos. I really love you guys. I appreciate the support. It means the world to me. Until next time, guys, I hope you do try this, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
I've been reading you to figure what you're down for. I wanna figure out to make it come around. No, we should quit the game and settle things right here, right now. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. I wanna take you from everything, no.